What's up, guys? We got a 2021 Model Y. We have a low voltage battery, whole bunch of signs in the dash. Okay, it's gonna tell us low voltage here. So if that's the case, we are, it's gonna come, it's gonna say low voltage. So a lot of stuff is not working on the vehicle because of the battery. So we are gonna replace this battery. I am gonna open the front. And once the front is open, we're gonna take that out. Why is my light off? We're gonna remove this. Okay, this is kind of destroyed because another body shop that I went to. So that goes to the side. We don't have the HEPA filter. If you had a HEPA filter, you would see that here. But anyways, what we're gonna do next is we are gonna remove that battery, and I'm gonna show you the battery that I'm gonna put. So let me get it. I'm gonna bring it so you guys can see it, and then I'll take it away and we'll continue. So this is what I'm gonna put in this baby, and this is what's in there. So Tesla recommends you put that. That is it is a, let's see, it is a 45 amp an hour, and this one is rated 40 to 60 amp an hour. Okay, I can't get my hand on that battery. I really need it because I'm losing power overnight, about 7%, because I guess it keeps charging. So I don't want to lose power overnight. So let me put this away and then we'll continue. So we're gonna take a few steps. We're gonna open all the windows. We're gonna open all the doors, and then we can start this baby. Okay, let's open the rest of the doors. And while we at it, let's put the windows down. The reason is so you don't lock yourself out of the car. There you go. I don't know why all four doors. So there must be a reason, so that's what I'm gonna do. So that's that. Okay, now I am gonna go back around on the vehicle. I am gonna, it's like I'm going around and around on the vehicle. We're gonna shut the car off. We're gonna go down to safety. We're gonna power off this baby. Power off. It's completely shut down. Okay, it's completely shut down. Okay, the computer and everything is off. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna disconnect negative, put it to the side. They do want you to put rags around it, and then we'll go on to the red connector here. We'll disconnect that, but first we gotta take out the negative. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prep this. So what I want to do is I'm gonna take off this bracket right here, and this thing just comes right out just like that. So that way, that's one less thing I have to do. Let's just take this out too right here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out this negative. So they do want you to put a rag around it so it doesn't touch anything. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just, it's low voltage, so it shouldn't shock you. But you cannot short circuit anything. Same thing with the other side. So now what they want you to do next is they want you to come around. They want you to pull this tab back, and then this connector, you need both hands. So let me do that. How am I gonna do that with both hands when I only have one hand? There you go. Everything just shut down. I heard everything go clunk. So it's pretty much powered down, okay, completely. So all I did was disconnect this. This is usually taped up over here, but the stupid shop that worked on it, they just left everything loose. Anyways, next step, we're gonna take out that positive, and then the battery should come out. But let me get a rag, another rag. So I'm gonna be using this right here because I don't have another rag. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of come down and loosen that. Same thing, cover it up and let it just sit to the side over here. So so it doesn't bother anything, it doesn't short circuit anything. And we can simply just take this guy out of here. Ah, it's heavy. This thing is heavy. So I'm not gonna be able to record that putting it in. You know what? I'll try by putting my camera over here, but you guys might not see it all. But let's see how that goes. So I'm gonna simply just take the battery. It's a reverse procedure from here. Let's put the battery in. Only thing with this is we're not gonna have anything for that little vent. Remember that little vent we just took out the cable? We could just let that hang around over here. That's fine till I get the correct the battery. So we're gonna put, it's reverse procedure guys from here. We're gonna put this guy in and let's lock that in. Reverse procedure meaning everything that we did going backward. So I'm gonna connect this next. Okay, and now we should get power after this right here. And I don't want this thing touching anything. I don't even know where it's at. And this guy comes out. Everything just lit up. Perfect. The lights came on, everything came on. Oh, I just want this thing to go down a bit. And then we're gonna lock this up. Okay. We're gonna put this little guy in. And we're gonna catch it by hand. So again, I'm doing this at my risk. It's you guys. If I'm surviving, it's up to you if you guys want to follow along. But it's all up to you. I don't have any other option. So there you go, everything is lit up. I wasn't able to update nothing. So next step is I'm gonna go inside the vehicle. I am gonna press brake. Okay, maybe my doors needs to be closed. Okay, my phone, my key is not here. Probably that's why. Okay, I forgot that it was gonna boot up, so that's what it's doing. It's booting up. I went a little too fast, but I'm gonna close the doors and I'm gonna wait for it to come to life. Okay, we no longer have indication for the battery. Awesome. I don't want you guys seeing my code. Okay, there you go. It's done deal. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, and I'll test it tonight, see how much percentage I'm losing. I shouldn't be losing any percentage anymore. Anyways, this is all done. Just put the cover back on and let's look for, let's do software update right now. Software update, install now. Okay, it's in progress. I am gonna put the charger on and everything. Put the windows up. I'll leave one window down just in case. Okay, I'll close the hood and everything, the front and everything. But we're done. Thank you for watching, guys. And software update is in progress. Is it in progress? It's supposed to be updating. Okay, all right, it wants me to close everything and bye-bye. So anyways, I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna put it to charge because that's fine to do while it's updating, because sometimes you can put it to charge while it's out there. Anyways, I want to put the cover on, make sure everything is tight, we're good to go. And this cover has clips. That's all you need to do. Put the clips and smack it down. All right, there you go. Those clips needs to be kind of fixed up. Anyways, let's remove this, and we have successfully replaced the battery. See you guys on the next video.